So hello everyone. Today we are going to see a very interesting video where we will be knowing how to learn free courses from Coursera. Okay, let's not waste much time here. So let's proceed into this video. Just log in into your Coursera account and choose any course. And after clicking on enroll for free, you can find that audit only option here. So the audit only option here means that you will not get certificate, but you can learn the course for free. You can learn all the things in the course for free, because as a fresher, if you are looking for courses, you should be looking to gain more knowledge than getting your certificate. You can actually get the certification if whenever needed by paying the amount and get the certificate and upload in your resume. But to gain knowledge, you can just use this audit method and learn these courses. You'll just click on continue and proceed with these courses. Let me show you. You can see that welcome to the course. Now you can access to the course material and you can click on start learning. You'll just need to give your commitment here and click on start the course. Then you can see here about the syllabus and all the things side by side. So let me show you the module 1. See, you can see here is the course. So you can see I have enrolled myself into this course and I am able to see all the modules inside this. So few courses like this where it contains the word specialization, when you click on enroll, you might not find the audit here. You'd be only finding about the monthly payment and other things here. So let's see how to learn these specialization courses for free. And in a specialization, you'll be having sub courses in it, so you'll be not able to see the audit and the enroll button here itself. You just need to scroll down. You can look at the module here. Just click on one of the courses here. Just click on it and redirect to that page, and then now click on enroll for free. Then you can see that here is the audit this course button. You can just click on audit this course and then you can continue on this. After clicking on that audit this course, you can see that I am enroll myself into this course where I can learn this course and I can gain my knowledge. I think this video was very useful for you, and if you found this video helpful, you need to subscribe, like, share and comment your feedback, and I will meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.